Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I want to give you a tour of a townhome, but I also want to share with you what other videos I plan on coming out with this week. Stick around. So I want to share with you a townhome in the Harmony at Matthews community by Century Communities. Now the townhome is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home, and there's only 11 opportunities left in this community. But I'm bringing it to you because the builder is offering up to $6,500 in closing costs, and the prices are starting off below $340,000. So we'll take a look at those in just a second, but be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Also tap on that bell icon so you can be alerted for these future videos. I plan on putting part 2 out to the video with me and Ortez talking about mortgages. If you haven't watched the first one, go right here and check that out. This one is full of information just like that first one is. So I want to thank Ortez for coming on and sharing his insight with us. I will also be putting out a couple more house tours for some Empire communities. Now these are some beautiful homes, so do not miss out on these, and they're in Fort Mill. Fort Mill, as we know, is one of the most popular suburbs. All right, come with me. Let's take a look at this Cameron floor plan. Now, before we go inside, let's take a quick look at the floor plan. You have an open modern floor plan. And then upstairs, you have a large owner suite on one wing and 2 secondary bedrooms on another wing. All the bedrooms do have walk-in closets. Now, this Cameron floor plan is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 1,800 square feet. And as I said, when you come in downstairs, you just have an open modern floor plan where everything just flows. Everybody can be part of the conversation. This is your kitchen. Now, all of these finishes come standard: granite countertops, dual ovens. You have the microwave. You also have a half bath down here. Now let's head upstairs. Here's your laundry room. A very good sized laundry room, especially for a townhouse. This is your first bedroom. A very good sized bedroom. And as I said, all of these bedrooms do have a walk-in closet. I meant to mention this, but at the time of filming this, the builder is offering up to $6,500 in closing costs if you use their preferred lender. This is the shared bathroom upstairs. Now let's take a look at the second bedroom. Now this community, Harmony at Matthews, they're almost finished building out here. At the time of filming this, there are only 11 opportunities left, but you can get in for under $340,000. And it is very conveniently located near hospitals. It's a 10 to 15 minute ride uptown, not too far from entertainment. That is your first walk-in closet. You do have tray ceilings here in the owner suite. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. Dual vanity sinks, tile floor. Look how beautiful the shower is. And you do have another walk-in closet. Most people, when I bring them into this townhome or show them townhomes, newer townhomes, they're actually shocked at how much space they get. Again, this is almost 1,800 square feet. If you're interested in this community or any other community in North or South Carolina, please reach out to my team and I. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.